I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education. As you know, on YourPD Education, we have started, you can say sort of crash course or uh, this basically preparation module for all of the students who are going for writing this year's GATE exam, that is 2021 GATE exam. And our mentors are providing free basically mentoring to all of you so that you get really good score and you can convert that into career later on. So in that process, one of the most important thing we should know is, okay, what are the most important topics which we should focus at this particular point of time. So entire syllabus, those of you who have done entire syllabus, for them also it is important. Those who have not done entire syllabus and at this moment, now next 2 months, where the focus should be. So our mentors have made very meticulously those points, 50-60 topics on which you should put more focus, from where more questions are asked. So let me, and you can get this all the topics attached to the video also, you can download that. Now let me give you the topics list. So for civil engineering, the most important topics you can see in RCC, steel, structure analysis, strength of material, fluid mechanics, the most important topics which you can find. These are the most important topics which you can see. So what we get is RCC, singly reinforced beam, columns, pre-stressed concrete, codal provisions. So all these are the important topics which you can find it out. As I told you, you can get all these topics in attached to this particular video. These are the most important topics. So from soil mechanics, environment, transport. So many times students say that, sir, should we do entire subject or leave entire subject? So for example, entire soil mechanics should we do and entire environment we should leave? Don't do that. There are certain topics which you should do from soil mechanics. There are some topics which you should surely do from environment, because वहां से एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन ज्यादा आता है. So more probability of question being asked from the exam. So remember this. And similarly, these are the topics from other subjects, including your hydrology, irrigation, surveying. These are the topics which you have to focus. So most important topics which you have to focus in civil engineering. So I hope these topics will help you to revise this entire thing, and you go into the exam prepared with these topics. And related to each topic, our mentors are going to cover many questions related to these topics, so that your preparation can be really done nicely. And those of you who have already joined our WhatsApp groups where students are preparing, our mentors are mentoring, those of you who have not joined, they can fill the respective Google form which is attached. There are two kind of forms, one for those whose preparation is very good and their requirement is different. Others, the preparation is not very good, they want to qualify or get some reasonably good score. To fill the respective form, do not fill both the forms. Fill the respective form so that we could enter you in particular WhatsApp group. If you fill in both the forms, then you may not be added into any of the WhatsApp groups. So revise these 50 topics along with our mentors. They will cover these topics for you, and for your reference you can keep it.